Hi everyone, Wade Trask with TMT at McGrath Estate Agents, and welcome to number 8 Ellora Street in Alexandra Hills. This property is located central in Alexandra Hills. It's close to schools, TAFEs, all the shopping centres, beaches, etc. And it's got a little bit for everyone. Come through and have a look.
This is a great family entertainer. The kitchen has scissor stone benches and it has a built-in bar area perfect for the family. This is a great games room which blows out to a large entertainment area that overlooks the pool.
And this is what sets it above the rest of everything that's out there right now. On a 748 block, we've got a beautiful in-ground saltwater pool with diamond pebble finish. We've got a floating deck gazebo, ideal for family barbecues. But the key element here, guys, is a 2-bedroom granny flat out the back here with a full kitchen and bathroom. Come through and check that out too.
Our family can't wait to see your family down here for an inspection soon. Bye for now.
You just come running by.